Hello everyone. Let us now solve one more problem on system interconnection for LTI systems. This is the given block. X of t is given to you. This is for continuous time system and y of t is your output, and this block contains many impulse responses. Okay, H1, H2, H3, H4 and H5. We need to represent the overall impulse response H of n in terms of all these subsystems impulse responses. As I've told you, just I'll recall you. In the system interconnection, we will come across series and parallel connections. You can just see in this block diagram, you will come across a series connection, a parallel connection, then again a parallel connection and a series connection. So let us try to reduce this block. First, if you observe, these two are connected in series. So whenever the impulses are connected in series, what we need to do? We need to apply the convolution. That's what is being done here. X as it is, H1 is convolved with H4. So this part is over. Now simultaneously in the same step, what I will do? This parallel connection, I will reduce it. H2 and H3 both are connected in parallel, and if you observe here, both are being added. Hence, whenever a parallel connection is encountered, we need to simply add them. So H2 plus H3. So I have done the series and parallel reduction in one single step. You can go for one more diagram and reduce it separately. Then remaining part of the diagram as it is. So here one series and one parallel is reduced. Then in the next step, if you observe, these two blocks are connected in parallel, and observe here there is a negative sign, so we need to subtract it. So this is the first part. This particular impulse is subtracted with the second one. I have added the brackets just to differentiate. Okay, remember, put the brackets always. And this is in series with the H5. Now in the final step, these two blocks are connected in series, hence one convolution should be added. Hence this complete part as it is, it should be convolved with H5. So how many reductions we have done? One series, one parallel, then one parallel, then one series. So totally 4 connections are there we have reduced, and we have tried to express this overall impulse H of t in terms of H1, H2, H3, H4 and H5. Thank you.